This is a quick video of how to install the Sigma Motion System software on your computer. What you first want to do is open up a browser and go to www.sigmaai.co, which brings you to sigmaintegrale.com. Then click on Support and Software Installation. Here under Software Installation, this is most likely the video you are watching, but right below are the 3 steps necessary to install the software. So before we even install the software, we want to configure the network connection, and the network connection is the Ethernet cable that's connected from your computer, whether it's directly from your computer or via a USB to Ethernet adapter to the Sigma Motion controller. So for that to happen, we want to right-click on the Start button, click on Run, and type in ncpa.cpl, exactly like it is right there. And that's just a quick way of getting into the network connections window in Windows. And I am very sure that this is my network adapter, my USB to gigabit Ethernet adapter that's connected to the controller. And as you can see here, it's saying unidentified network. So what we want to do is right click on that, click on properties, double click on TCP/IP version 4, and select use the following IP address. And in here, type in 192.168.153.1. Click on the next field. This will auto-populate. Click on OK at the bottom. Click on OK again, and we are completed. So next, on our next step, you actually want to download the software. So here is the software link right there. Once it's finished installing, click on OK on any prompts that may come up in order to install the software on your computer. Once the software is installed, we can just run the software. Now, you're not going to see this power on button. What you're going to have is the note to put in your dimensions of your rig. So what you need to do is measure the distance between the left and the right actuators and the front and the back actuators and put them into the software before you power it on. So in our case, our rig from front to back is 38 inches from the center of the actuator in the front to the one to the back, and the left to right center is 22 inches. Once we have that in, we can click on power on, and the system will turn on, going from 0 to the middle position, waiting for input. All the motion profile settings are here. The games are auto-detected. The logs of any kind of information you may need are right there. And here are the updates, which can be installed by just clicking on them and choosing Install at the bottom, which features some of our new and upcoming features within the software. Now, under Settings, you will have additional game settings for any games that may require it. For example, Gran Turismo, you do have to put in the IP address of the PlayStation 5 on your local area network, as well as other games as well. And then there's also the Remote Web UI under Settings, which allows you to remotely control this software or your motion system on a local area network using a tablet or phone, as long again as it's connected to the local area network by just going, in this case, to this particular IP address. Some automation features here as well, like auto startup and auto recovery, but that's pretty much it. So thanks for following along. Let us know if you have any more questions. Leave a comment below, shoot us an email, or just give us a call. Thank you.